Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with a random for a 2-box break of 2013 Panini National Treasures Football. All names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize this 6 times for everybody, and good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow. Stroker Ace Kid, the last 3 together. Bucks, Titans, and Redskins. Alright, good luck everyone. Here we go. Chip S, first time with us, Arizona Cardinals. Shoei with the Falcons. Jeremy B with the Ravens. Brian P with the Bills. Tim with the Panthers. Chris with the Bears. Chris with the Bengals. Brandon with the Browns. Melina with the Cowboys. Jeremy with the Broncos. Shoei with the Lions. Shoei with the Packers. Jeremy with the Texans. Jason, first time with us, with the Colts. Ryan with the Jaguars. Shoei with the Chiefs. Jeremy J with the Dolphins. Calvin with the Vikings. John with the Patriots. Brian with the Saints. Brian with the Giants. Brian with the Jets. Chris with the Raiders. Calvin with the Eagles. Brian with the Steelers. Jonathan with the Chargers. Calvin with the Niners. Bobby with the Seahawks. Chip with the Rams. Stroker Ace Kid with the Bucks, the Titans, and the Redskins. Alright guys, there you have it. Don't forget to check me out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!